Hey guys, it's me Varun Inamdar and welcome to Indulge Fest by Femina and Good Homes. I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple kebab. I'm taking goat meat here. Now this is a goat meat which is 80% meat and 20% fat. Now especially for this kebab, it's always advisable to take fat from the kidney, from the lining of the kidneys, which is very important, and that is the fat which has actually got some mass, some body, and that way the kebab becomes nice and juicy and tender. So remember that. Let's begin with red chili powder. To this I'm also going to add in crushed onions. Now this is a red onion which is crushed into a mixer. Now this is also got a little water content, so ensure that the meat has no water at all. Drain it out, remember that. Next I'm going to add in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. Traditionally only ginger is used, and trust me, that's also fantastic, but this is my little tweak to the age-old recipe. Finally, two very important ingredients. The first one is garam masala. This is of course a combination of 7-8 spices. Finally, I'm going to add in salt as required. Mix all of this well, ensure that all the ingredients are wonderfully incorporated, and that's where you have the kebab mixture done and ready. The next step is to take lemon-sized balls, a little larger actually, and you roll them into thin cylinders. Now traditionally this is of course made over a charcoal grill, but I'm going to use a pan because I understand that most of you may not have a charcoal grill at home. The next step is to heat a pan on medium flame and add in just a little bit of oil. Not too much, I think 2 tablespoons should just be perfect. Now because we are not using a grill or a tandoor or a barbecue or a charcoal pit, we need oil at this stage. In case you're doing this directly on a grill or you're doing this directly on a barbecue pit, then you do not need oil. Now, before the oil really starts heating up, what I'm going to do is reshape these a little and place these. Do not wait for the oil to heat up, because what is going to happen in that case is it's all going to start spluttering and you do not want a mess in the kitchen. What's also important in this recipe is the fat that has literally released, and that is going to add to the wonderful taste of this kebab. So do not discard that. The next here is a very simple recipe which is actually an onion chutney. This is made with onions and spinach. Yes, you've heard it right. It's not made with mint leaves or with coriander. And to this they add in green chilies. Less of it because this is not a very spicy chutney. Lots of lemon juice and salt. For this I'm using pav, which is again a very quintessential Bombaya bread. I'm using some oranges. You can of course by all means use lemons, because I like this throw of color. I like this whole citrusy bite to this, and that's why this is my favorite. To this I'm adding in some pomegranate seeds, onions of course, and mint. Let's begin with the plating. The first thing is to add in this onion and spinach chutney onto the pav, and along with this some onions. These are basic sliced onions which are kept in cold water. Let's place in our kebabs. Remember, with the luscious juicy fat or oil as you call it. A little more of the chutney just to make it look wonderful and appetizing. Some pomegranate seeds, and along with this some orange veggies. And finally to this I'm going to add in some mint leaves, and this is not only for color but it's also for its wonderful taste, because goat meat and mint is literally a combination made in heaven. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your amazing, wonderful yet simple Old Bombay Kebab is done and ready. Well, not just a kebab, but it's an entire platter which is so wonderful looking. Literally picked up from the streets and glamorized. Well, impress your family, impress your friends, and do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also show us some love. Well, on that note, thank you so much for being part of the Indulge Fest by Femina and Good Homes. Thank you so much. God bless you, and make this for your family, make this for your friends. Celebrate it.